Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking more at the Unreal collection from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, so for those who don't know, the Unreal collection originally started with the foundation stick. Now this is a bit of a long name. It's called the Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint Hydrating Foundation Stick. This was the first stick foundation that Charlotte Tilbury had ever brought out. I personally have mine in the shade One Fair, which I mean, I'm pale, what do we expect? But when you swatch it, you can see it's just creamy and glowy. This foundation is described as giving your skin a ring light effect at all times, because as you can see, the glow on my hand is looking good. Some people use this like Hollywood Flawless Filter. You can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as a foundation. It's a multi-purpose product, but this then inspired blushes. Okay, so in this collection we have 6 new blushes. Now these blushes are called the Unreal Blush Healthy Glow Sticks because they are glowy based blush shades. So let me swatch them for you now. Okay, so we're starting off with Pretty Glow, which is this gorgeous lilac undertone pink, but let me swatch it for you. By the way, apologies for the lighting. 1 minute it's sunny here, 1 minute it's cloudy. We don't know what's going on. But this is Pretty Glow, which as you can see is like a stunning baby pink lilac undertone shade. Okay, next up we have Rosy Glow, which is a nice cool toned pink shade. Just gonna swatch this here. So as you can see, beautiful pink, blends into like a nice pop of colour, but it's not too intense. So if you like a more subtle blush, this could be your one. Okay, whereas if you like something a bit more brighter, this is Pinky Glow, which is a much more brighter pink shade. So let's put that here. So you can already see like the difference between these 3 shades. So we've got Pinky, we've got Rosy, and we've got Pretty. Pretty is probably the one I use the most, but at the moment I've been leaning towards this shade here. But now let's go on to the reds and the corals. Okay, next we're on Peachy Glow. This is my favourite one. I use this the most by far. So it starts off as this orange, and then as it blends in, it just goes into a nice soft coral shade. You can see when they all blend together, they have beautiful glow. But I mean, shade range, we love it. But let's get to the deep colours now. Okay, now we have Cherry Red, which I'm actually wearing today, funnily enough, because I was trying a video earlier of shades I don't normally wear. Now this one on me, I have to wear it a little more sparingly because they're so pigmented, these sticks, that a little really does go a long way. So I've just blended that out. Look how pretty it is. Could definitely suit multiple skin tones, but on a deeper skin tone this would look stunning. Okay, so we've just had Cherry and the last shade is Berry. This is a gorgeous deep red tone, almost like with a burgundy undertone really. Just gonna put that here, and then this we're gonna blend out. So you can definitely see it's like a more purple toned red, but I love stuff like this. I use these in sort of like balm textures, so I knew I could wear this, but I would just have to be a little more light-handed. But these are all the shades so far. So we went with Pretty, Rosy, Pinky, Peach, Cherry, and Berry. And they're absolutely stunning. And like I said, I'm wearing Cherry right now, and I've only had it a few days, but as far as red blushes go, it's kind of making me warm up, so that's why I ended up getting this as well. But they're just so pretty. But now I have even more products to show you. Okay, so we've talked about foundation, we've talked about blush. Now we need to talk about lip oils, because it's the first time Charlotte Tilbury has lip oil products that are flavoured with like these fruity scents. They have a normal magic oil, which is part of the skincare collection, but these are more fun. Like, look at the packaging, they are so cute. So I have Cherry, which, don't worry, I'm being so weird with the camera. And I have Cherry, which I'm currently wearing now. And then there's also Strawberry Vanilla, which is another contender. It smells amazing. And then this is Peach. So what I'm going to do is put them on now and show you. So this is the shade Cherry Glaze. This is the shade Pure Peach. And lastly, we have the shade Strawberry Vanilla. Right guys, and that's everything I have from the Unreal collection. I don't know if they're adding more products, but so far I'm loving this range. It's so vibrant, really fun, and it's nice to see new formulas arriving. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.